Hi friends, welcome to RS Car Modifiers. We are doing a fitment of a Mercedes which was actually lacking a good infotainment system. In this, we are going to install a 12.33 system with a complete 360-degree camera system to assist the customer. Let me show what kind of work has been done. As in any 360 system, we have installed 4 cameras, one on the front, 2 on the mirrors, and if you see on the back side as well, we have installed 1 camera. So let me go inside, show you what kind of a fitment which has happened in this Mercedes, and let me show you what functions also gets activated in this. If you can see inside, what we have installed is a 12.33 inches screen. Looks fabulous from inside, and it is going to give you most of the functions which the original OEM system was not having. So let me show you certain options. So the first is the 360, which the customer was actually looking for. You can see the complete 1080 pixel camera, front side, back side, sides and the right side, but even you will be able to see the 3D view with a rotatable view as well. So this is one of the function which the customer was looking for. Leaving this, there are certain other options including your navigations, video player, where you can install your pen drive, or you can play it through any of the apps which you get it in any of the Android system. You can see the smoothness of the system as well. It is a silky smooth, comes with an equalizer. You can connect your Bluetooth and play the songs as well. So it is all in all a complete system where certain functions including your RPM meter, where when you are accelerating also gets increased in this. When you are onning the headlight, also it shows the headlight on. So most of the functions which is there in the car is also calibrated into the system by way of a canvas. So let it be a Mercedes, let it be a BMW, a Range Rover, we have options for all these cars with a very good quality. The system specs are 8GB, 128GB with a complete HD kind of a screen, and you will be able to view all the videos in 1080p as well. So if you are looking for a clean finish, good system, it is only at RS Car Modifiers. You can visit our branch at the BTM layout opposite to the GOPALAN mall to get these infotainment installed. Let me see you in the next video guys. Cheers.